Actually, everyone, one final thing before I go. The birds are singing quite loud tonight, so I just want to end today with some bird song for you. Good old blackbird. Twinkle, twinkle. Lovely sunset as well. I hope you could hear the birds there. That's the calling of some blackbirds, which is very much a sound of the warmer months of the year. And that's it for today, folks. The dawn chorus is also really strong now in the morning, and the blackbirds like to sing on the evening from a high point in a high perch. Catch you again next time. Thanks for your time. I hope the sun is setting really nice where you are. Catch you again on the next one. Bye bye.